What happened to our system? Actress Foluke Daramola Salako asks as she berates Nigerian youths who are in the habit of insulting their elders on social media.
This is a pandemic that people are not taking cognizance of. When we have people, youths that would stay on the social media and be writing all sorts of things about the elderly. Anu yi ma ṣe mí, anu wa ma ṣe mí. All in the bid of pé I support party kan, I support party kan, we have lost our values. We have lost our values. In the next years to come, àwọn ọmọ máa ta àwọn òbí wọn nípa ni. Àwọn ọmọ, the norm will be for children to disrespect parents, not to have any form of value for them. All in the bid of modernization, we are becoming more advanced, more modern. Where are our value system? What happened to our value system? Isn't this bad? How did it degenerate to this? How did it degenerate to this? Somebody as young as a girl coming on my page to write crap for what? And people will say all sorts. Moti was saying something. This is a pandemic that people are not even seeing. In the next years to come, we will have a crisis. We'll have crisis in our hands. Because I do not understand when these youths, when they start having kids, what kind of kids are they going to be raising? How are they going to... What happened to our value system? The person that even wrote that is even a Yoruba person, not more Yoruba. Yoruba tó sọ Yoruba lẹ́nu. Ẹjọ́, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ, ẹ má jẹ́ ká ẹ tó bá sọ lẹ́nu ó fi àpòyàkọ́ ni. Please, I am begging. I'm not saying this because of me, because I've said it and I'm saying it again. I beg everybody with everything you hold dear. Don't come to my page to say rubbish. I am a disciplinarian. I won't take it for granted. I won't let it fly. Everybody has begged me and I have accepted. I'm not doing anything to her. But I'm looking for a scapegoat. I'm not joking. I'm looking for a scapegoat that will come to my page and say rubbish. You've got to expect it. Don't come to my page at all. Listen, I might have hair because my life is not based on social media. I have a better life ahead of me, devoid of social media. Please, I beg you, don't come to my page and say rubbish. I've said it before. I'm going to be very, very wicked on it. I beg you, please. If you want to be civil with me, if you want me to be a big sister, if you want me to be a mom, if you want me to be a friend, very good. We'll be friends. If you need help, I will, whatever thing I can support for my own, the little I can do, people that know me knows that I do what I can do. But I'm going to be very, very livid with anybody that comes to my page to say rubbish. I beg you with everything you hold there. Please let us respect ourselves. And to the youth, people that are encouraging things, people that are encouraging bullying, Emma, enjoy it. But when the repercussion comes, people will know that, this woman said it. In the next 5 years, and one mama fi ipa jí àwọn òbí wọn ni.